Hey guys, what's going on? Sorry if these videos are all looking a little different. I have a GoPro Hero 7 and I'm trying to figure out what's the best recording settings, the best programs to edit in because I don't really know how. So feel free to give me some tips and suggestions in the comments. But we're out here and it's absolute freezing day. Since we last left, I just got the engine and transmission separated and got the engine up on the stand. And then I made myself a nice little dry erase board on what all needs to be done. We got Cletus and Cars April 18th, and I have tons and tons of things to do with this car. As you can see through on this list right here, 90 days left till Cletus and Cars. And I made myself a nice little list of things I still need, like my clutch, rear end setup. I don't know how well the stock diff is going to hold up, but we're going to try. Got a few more things coming. So today's video is just going to be me tearing down the engine. We're going to see how it actually fared for the 500 miles it was in the car. Going to tear it down to complete block. Probably going to start off by taking the heads and working my way down. I've actually never torn into the inside of an LS motor, so I'll be learning quite a few things. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright, I got the valve covers and valley cover off, and it doesn't look too horrible. Actually, everything's pretty clean. I actually have a trunnion kit in these rockers. Down there, looks pretty gross. Stock cam doesn't look too chewed up. Looks alright. Over here, looks pretty good too. Alright, well, just gonna keep plugging along and get these rockers out, springs, and get all these heads off, and we'll see what it looks like then. Alright guys, heads are off and doesn't look too horrible. I mean, it's a 2000 5.3 with, I think the guy said like 180,000 miles or something like that. Actually doesn't look too horrible. Let me get some light in there. Yeah. Walls don't look too scored. Pistons, of course, look pretty caked up. Lifters in there, and on the other side, kind of the same. It's not looking that horrible. Kind of what you would assume. All these look pretty corroded and pretty bad, but whatever. The heads over here, same effect, what you would expect on a 200,000 mile engine, but it's going along pretty good. Keep working into this, get the lifters off, get the front cover off, and get the rear cover off, and then flip it over and get to the crank and keep plugging away. guys, another update for you. Got most of the front cover all off, got the oil pan off. Right now I'm just having some issues getting the cam out. It's coming out like halfway and I'm getting caught on carbon buildup or something. I'll keep working it out. I'll just get the mains and the rods and pistons out first. Maybe give me a little more room to wiggle it and try to get it out. And something interesting I found, the oil pickup, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's some little pieces, it looks like, of bearing material in there. Just a little bit. Oil didn't look that bad, and the car didn't knock, didn't hear any sounds like that. But playing with the rods, I got this little bad boy. That's got just some slight movement to them. So maybe that was on one of the last burnouts or something. Never heard anything wrong though. So, oh well, at least it didn't detonate. But keep getting on this, get the mains, caps out, pistons, try to get this cam out, and then get the crankshaft out, and get this thing to bare black here. Just a little bit longer, we'll have this thing done. We're all done finally. I got the block completely tore down. We are all ready to go to send it out to the machine shop. The bores actually look really good. Cylinders, it's not too scored up, looking nice. The crank, on the other hand, looks a little beat up. Apparently there was a spun bearing in there and we could never hear it on anything that we were doing. You can see it was at cylinder 8. It's got some good scarring on it, and then cylinder 5 as well doesn't look to be too pretty. So probably not going to turn it. We'll just source a new crank because they're not that much. Was it going to be like $100 or something like that? These pistons and rods are all going to be junk. Decorations, who knows? Same thing with the camshaft. I don't need it anymore. Lots of extra parts to get rid of. Got the heads over there. So we got a few more things to do. Yeah, a few more. Lots and lots and lots to do. Thinking about the rear end. We got to order all that and do all kinds of great stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and end it off for tonight. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.